Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Inspired Birdie. I do have another really quick, small Dollar Tree haul for you for St. Patty's because I did go back. I needed a few extra things for my St. Patrick's Day DIYs that will be coming out in February. So yeah, I have another quick haul for you. I also made a trip to the dollar store, so Dollarama here in Canada, to see what they had. I was really disappointed because they actually had nothing St. Patrick's at all, but yet they had Easter, which comes after St. Patrick's. So that was surprising. And they really had no idea when they were going to have their stuff out. So I'll show you what I grabbed at the dollar store. I only grabbed a few items for Easter. But yeah, let's just get started here quickly. So as you can see, not too many items, but it is all St. Patty's. And there was nothing new. So from my last haul, there was nothing new when I went today. So of course, I'll be making a trip probably again in the next few weeks. I think once Valentine's Day dies out, you will start to see more stuff St. Patty's. All right, so I'm going to start over here. This is all for DIYs, by the way. So yeah, none of this is just, I mean, maybe one or two things aren't, but most of this is all DIYs. So starting off with these marbles, these are not new. They do have these all year round in the garden section, so floral section. They're just marbles, and I picked up two packages. One are these like a lighter shade of green, and then I also got these more emerald-like shade of green. So that's going to be a DIY. I won't even say that because everything's a DIY. I also picked up these really cute buttons. So you do get a pack of 10, and yeah, they're just super cute. So you get 2 of each, and they're just little buttons. All right, grabbed a pack of batteries, nothing special, but I mean, you do get really good heavy duty name brand batteries at a great cost. I also picked up this picture frame. So this is something that they generally do have all year round. And I picked this one up because I liked the gold frame. I thought this would be really good for a St. Patty's DIY. And then these are just window stickers. So these are the stickers that you can peel on and off. You do get 14 in here. And they're really just a bunch of clovers. Or shamrocks, whatever you want to call them. All right, I did pick up a few floral. Now, these were a good deal because they were... Oh, I just noticed I'm missing one right there. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, it is a good idea to always check your floral before you buy them. Make sure none popped off. But they did only have one of these, and I liked the little glitter at the very tip. I thought that was really pretty. And then I picked this one up as well. So like a more emerald with the glitter. And these were only 50 cents. So I thought that was a good deal on their floral. And this is not for a DIY, but this is a chalkboard pen. I lost mine recently and I needed another one. So I grabbed a chalkboard pen. They do have several different colors in the craft section. And I picked up another one of these wreaths. Now this was in the Valentine section, but normally you can also find these in their floral section, but these were out with all the Valentine. And you can't really tell on camera, but this is the smaller version. They do have a much larger one as well. These as well, for some reason, I don't know why, because they're green, were with the Valentine's Day decorations as well. I think that's kind of strange that they would have green floral jars, but whatever. These were with the Valentine's Day decorations. I like the green. I thought this would be great for a DIY, and I do love the rope around the top. Now you can totally DIY that yourself if you have rope, just with some hot glue and wrap it around. Then I picked up some of these necklaces. So you do get 4. And look at this pretty sign. So you do get this pretty sign with 4 shamrocks, and then you get this really nice welcome. And now we know I'm not going to be using this for the sign. I will be using that to DIY. And then here's another sign that I grabbed as well. It says St. Patrick's Day Greetings. I really like that. And it comes apart. Yeah. So that's all that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'll show you quickly what I got from the dollar store for Easter. Alright guys, so here are the few items that I did get for Easter. I will definitely be going to get more. once we get closer to, and of course I want to check out Dollar Tree to see what they have for Easter. So this is all from Dollar Store, so Dollarama, and I really tried to stick with items that are comparable in price to the Dollar Tree. So my Dollar Tree is $1.25. I know a lot of yours out there is $1. So most of these items were $1.25. So starting off with this sticker, I thought this would be really cute for either planner or scrapbooking. I'm going to use it for scrapbooking, and it was only $1.25. And it's Jolie's Boutique, which is interesting because I'm pretty sure Jolie's Boutique is the same brand from Michael's. So that's a really good deal. I also picked up these really cute bows. They did not have a lot of these left. Most of them were gone. They had pink, purple, and like a greenish blue. They had tons of the greenish blue. They had like one pink left and one purple, and I grabbed the purple, and you do get 3, and they were $1. And then look at how cute these eggs are. So sparkly and pretty. I thought these would make a nice DIY, and these were $1.25. You wouldn't believe the amount of Easter stuff they had. They had like an aisle and a half, like tons of Easter stuff, but not one thing for St. Patty's, which was so weird. And these are gorgeous. I just love these. So these are stems, like flower stems. They're $1.25. And look, they're Easter eggs. So you get 3. I thought these were so pretty. I have no idea what I'm going to use them for, but I know that I'll come up with something. Some really cute DIY. So I did get 2 of those. And then this adorable sign, which was $2. So this is the only item that was more expensive, $2. But look at the detail of this. And it's held together with wire. So the wire can easily come off as well if you want to use this to DIY. And I think I will probably use this as a DIY. So probably take it apart. But look at how beautiful it is. Even if you just want to use it as is on your door. Super, super pretty. And that's it, guys. So that is my haul that I did between Dollar Store and Dollar Tree. Hope you guys enjoyed that really quick haul. And, leave me any comments if you had any questions, or if you saw any really cool items, or if you have any inside news of when Dollarama is going to come out with St. Patty's stuff. Yeah, leave a comment. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. See you all soon, probably in another haul coming to you shortly. All right, guys, love and peace to you all. Bye.